Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding transporter details while billing in Logic ERP. Let's begin by generating a sales bill. In the Other Details section, you will find the fields to enter transporter details. If these fields are not visible, you can enable them by going to Sale Voucher Configuration, selecting the relevant billing series, and clicking on Column Locks and unlocking the required columns related to transporter details. Let's return to the billing screen to proceed. In the Transporter Name drop-down, you will see the list of transporters already created within the system. Let's take a quick look at where these transporters are set up. For the same, go to Setup Transporters. Here you can create transporters and enter the required details. Now, let's return to the billing screen and continue with the process. Select the transporter name from the list. You can directly enter the transporter mode and vehicle number from this screen. The drop-down will also display data from previously created transporter modes or vehicle numbers for quick selection. Let's save the bill. You can later track these transporter details against the bill in the sales report. Let's take a quick look at the sales report. As you can see, the transporter details are accurately reflected. This is how you can enter transporter details while creating a sales bill. Instead of selecting the transporter name manually each time, you can also set a default transporter while creating a new account. Let's assign the transporter name to an existing customer. From here, you can set the transporter for the selected party. After assigning the transporter to the party, let's review its effect in the billing process. As you can see here, the transporter name is correctly reflected for the respective party. You can also add transporter details for multiple parties simultaneously. To do this, go to Enter Customer Supply-wise Other Details. Select the accounts for which you want to add transporter details and then click Refresh. Now, let's add the transporter details. You can enter the data by pressing the spacebar on the column. If you want to apply the same value to the entire column, then press F2 on the column and enter the value, and it will automatically be applied to the entire column. Now, let's enter the transport details by pressing F2 on the column. As you can see, the transporter name has been applied to the entire column. Follow the same steps to update the transporter mode and vehicle number as well. Let's save the data and review its impact during billing for both of the selected parties shown here. As you can see, the transporter details are now reflected by default for the selected party. Let's also review the impact on other party as well. As observed, the transporter details are correctly reflected for this party as well.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.